Alrighty, so that subframe here, we got 1, 2, 3. I already got that one off. You got 4 here. 5, 6. These are already loose. So what I noticed with the subframe, right? So this is the top portion, right? You got to drop this enough. I had to take the transmission mount bolt underneath out just to get it enough for it to, because it's just like this. Okay, let me go up a little bit. Sorry about this bad camera angle. Video cutout on. I'm trying to get it out, and it's like you can't push it out. So I'm like, do I have to take the entire subframe? Does this attach to the subframe? I hope not. But when you see the kits on eBay or online, they have the bottom and the top. So there's got to be a way to get this out. I'm trying to figure this out. Can't get this thing out of here. If you zoom in, well, if I zoom in, it's like connected by, I don't know what it is. Oh, shit. Yeah. So there's got to be a way to get this out. I'm trying to figure this out. And just like that, I knocked it out with the hammer. You didn't get to see the action, but just turned it to the side and just smacked it out. There it is.